to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move out, my friends. See you in the cockpit. Or be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here. Go.
Chewbacca doesn't like a lot of moisture on
For
the
your
seat.
safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
I don't know.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Alright, crew, get those safety belts on. We gotta go. We're gonna get back to the center equipment. It's conditioner day. Alright, crew, once you're belted in, put up on the other safety tabs for me. Thank you. There it is. Nice, so first, in the back.
Hurry now, time is money.
Please keep your shoes on at all times during flight. It could not get your socks off. I'll let Bo know you're doing it too.
Flight engineers, repair desk. Hit your flashing buttons. You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Oh, there's the train. Come. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and wheel us in. Engineers, hit your flashing button. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking, keep shooting. So close. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. I've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! Look! Let's get out of here! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. That's the old days when cars did not have hyperdrives. Gunners, fire! Lead them back, they may find the resistance. Sabi ko na easy. Nearing the end of the belt. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Ooh. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad.
33% time shot, kills, missiles, power up.
Nice one.
All right, damage ripple. Engine
You
failure.
had to
All
press it
right.
earlier.
Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off. All right, my friends. I am going to be honest with you. For once, he says for once. I am always honest. Friends, this is what we in the business world call a major malfunction. Yes, you are right, R5. It is no cause for alarm. It's perfectly safe. Everyone will be fine, but unfortunately,
Oh, it's broken.
it takes a few minutes to reset all the complicated systems on the Falcon. And in the meantime, well, we've got a little time to pass. So here we are, passing some time. Other than the complete failure of the Millennium Falcon, how was your flight?
Good.
All right, how long has it been? Oh, 5, I'm hurting up here. 45 seconds. You're kidding me. Okay, my friend.